Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add countdown timer on Wix website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, I need you to head over to your View tab, then search for Help site. Now log in on your Help site. Now once you have logged in, search their widgets for countdown. So searching here for countdown and we can see this countdown timer. So let's click on this one. Then once you have clicked on that, we should be able to see some widgets for this responsive and easy to use countdown timer. You should be able to also edit it however you want it to be. So it can be like this, a limited time offer. It can be an urgency countdown, special offer, anything. So for me, I'll just choose this one and then click on continue with this template. And then you can put in the start to finish and then the start time as well as the end time. So in here, you just need to put this right here. So it can be a required position as well as anything. Now click on this add to website for free and then this will save the widget. Now on the else site right here, it will actually redirect you to this one wherein we can publish this specific thing. So click on publish here. And then in here, you need a plan to install the widget. So for me, I'll just choose this free widget right here. And then from in there, I will be able to embed the code. So this is that code. So click on copy. And then in here on your Wix website editor, click on this add elements. Once you have clicked on the add elements, you should be able to see some embeds. So here's embed code. So you can use popular embeds. You can embed site, HTML, also everything right here. So in here, you can embed the site, which is an external website, or custom elements right here. So you can also search in here for custom if you want. So let's in here search for custom widget or custom embed. So it will actually allow you to put in a custom embed for this one. So let's try to use this custom element and let's add this to the site. Now, once it's been added to the site, it will be able to see in here. So click on change source. Under the change source, you should be able to put in here certain code. Now, just put in the code right here. So let's put in the code that we have. And then if this is not a valid URL, you can actually just head over and then just use HTML code for this one. So let's click on add elements again and then click on popular embeds, which is this embed HTML. So for this, you can also choose custom codes as well as anything right here. You can use everything that you can see right here. So for this one, let's use custom code. And then let's add this specific snippet in here. And then from in there, you should just be able to paste your actual code from this one. So just paste in here your custom code. And then once you have added your custom code, you should be able to see the countdown timer on your website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add countdown timer to your Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people.